This is Scrapbook.com and we're in the Bo Bunny booth looking at a new line called Black Tie Affair. And this line is perfect for proms, weddings, any kind of formal event. Here's the sticker sheet for Black Tie Affair, and you can see all sorts of nice sentiments. It was a night to remember, Mr. and Mrs., and then you get a lot of blank labels as well as hearts and kind of border items too. So this line's perfect for documenting your event. One thing I like about it is because it's black and white, no matter what color your dress or your wedding palette is, you're gonna be able to match this line to it and look super classic and timeless because it's black and white. I'll pick a couple papers here to feature. We'll go way down here. I love this kind of, it looks like lace, but it's printed on, of course, and these are double-sided and high quality as you would expect from Bo Bunny. I really love this kind of wildflower look too. So many florals in this line. It's also perfect for card making. Well, come on over here and look at the noteworthy pieces. I think you guys are gonna be excited to see this because these are the noteworthy embellishments that we love from Bo Bunny, and they're back, and you can see all the beautiful, almost chalkboard sketching illustrations that they've done here with this. And then right next to it, we have the layered chipboard with some little gemstone and black sparkle accents. Super pretty line. And then this layout up here really gives you an opportunity to see a lot of the papers in use. Even though they're all such different patterns, they go together flawlessly. This is Black Tie Affair by Bo Bunny. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!